What is going on, YouTube? Johnny Bubbles back with another cleaning video. This time, it's gonna be on this pair of off-white Nike Prestos that I've been wearing for the past few months. As you can see, I got them pretty dirty. And I'm gonna be cleaning these today, guys, with Reshoevn8r's advanced 3-brush sneaker laundry system and sneaker laundry detergent that is available at Reshoevn8r.com. So guys, let's go ahead and start this video. All right, for this video, guys, I am gonna be cleaning the right shoe, so I'm gonna put the left one to the side. The next step, guys, is to grab our adjustable shoe tree and adjust it to size. Now, since I have been wearing these, I know that they are a size 11.5. That's my true size. So I'm gonna take it up. Let's say that third hole should be fine. Boom. And what that's gonna go ahead and do, guys, is allow me to apply more pressure on this toe box and get a nice deep cleaning. Now the next step, guys, remove the laces. All right, now that the laces are removed, I'm gonna put those to the side. Next step, guys, grab your bottle solution, pour a few small squirts into your bowl of water, and begin cleaning the uppers using the soft bristle brush. All right, guys, before I move on to cleaning the tongue, I do want to point out that this Nike red here has bled. I haven't even hit it with any water or even the brush yet, but I already do see some red dye on this little patch here. So I'm not sure if it's gonna bleed anymore the more I hit it up with the brush, but just a fair warning, be careful when cleaning that little Nike check mark. All right, guys, I am done cleaning the uppers with the soft bristle brush. A few things I do want to point out is this toe cap right here is still a little dirty, which I'll probably hit up with the all-purpose brush, but I'm not gonna hit it up too hard because this material seems like it's a little delicate, so I don't want to fray that material. And this back strap right here as well is a little dingy, so I'll go ahead and hit up those areas with the all-purpose brush. Other than that, the shoe looks pretty clean on the uppers. Then I'll use that same medium brush, guys, and I'll probably go over the midsole, get that looking clean, and then move on to the outsole using the stiff bristle brush. But for now, let me go ahead and hit up these deep stains with the all-purpose brush. All right, guys, go ahead and check out that midsole. It's looking nice. Crispy white again. One thing I do want to point out is like on this edge part here, it is still kind of dirty. So what I'll go ahead and do is when I'm hitting up the outsole with the stiff bristle brush, I'll go ahead and tackle these deeper stains with that same stiff bristle brush. So let's go ahead and do that now. There it is, guys. The outsole is done. Looking really nice and clean. I mean, for as much as I wore this, I mean, it still does look a little dirty, but that's just wear. It's not really dirt, it's just wear from it being worn. So the next step, guys, is to grab our laces. What you're gonna wanna do is dump them in the bowl of solution and water mixture. Just like that. All right, guys, I think I've gotten the laces pretty clean. Now, typically what I do is I put the laces inside the shoe to put in the wash, but since I'm not sure if the shoelace will come off in the wash, I'm just gonna go ahead and dry it with a microfiber towel. Yep, look pretty good. So I'm gonna set them aside to dry. Next, I'm gonna grab our sneaker laundry bag, open it up, grab our shoe, lock it up. Cool, now they're ready for the wash. Let's go. All right, guys, it's time to put the Presto in the wash. We're just gonna throw it in there like so. Grab our Sneaker Laundry detergent and loosen the cap. Squeeze it up. We'll do about a ½ ounce on this one. Pour it all over the shoe. It's not gonna hurt it. Close it up. Wash, normal load, cold water. Start it up. And we'll see you in a little bit. All right, guys, I am back. I went ahead and let these Prestos dry overnight. And as you can see, they cleaned up pretty nice. Now, I was worried about the lettering on the side panel here coming off, but thankfully it didn't come off in the wash and it stayed intact. Although I can't show you because I already laced them up, but they are safe and sound. Now, I did mention that this Nike little tab here might bleed. As you can see, it's a little red, but nothing too crazy. It didn't go all over the shoe, which I'm excited for, because as you guys know, this is a super hyped shoe. But I'm gonna go ahead and hold these up so that way you guys can see a side-by-side comparison. Show you guys the outsole. And then the midsole. And once again, guys, I did clean these up using Reshoevn8r's advanced 3-brush sneaker laundry system and sneaker laundry detergent that is available at Reshoevn8r.com, guys. Let me know how you like this video. Leave me a comment what shoe you would like us to clean next. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. Hit that like button below if you like this video. Thank you guys for watching. I'm Johnny Bubbles, and I'll see you in the next one.